Hola!
It's the
James and Greg Show! And today we're going to test out what all California restaurants have is 3 different flavor hot sauces. Most California restaurants, they have Tabasco, or Tapatio, or Cholula. She pretty. Okay.
So as we're sitting waiting for our lunch to show up,
yes,
James was wondering,
lunch bites.
What's the difference between these 3?
I am wondering. I'm like, which one tastes the best? I never like tried them plain, like on a plate. Just like splash it down, lick your finger, try it. So me and Greg are gonna try them all out.
I'm not a big hot sauce fan.
I'm gonna put Tabasco on this side.
I'm really not looking forward to this, actually.
Wait, you don't like hot sauce?
I don't like hot sauce. I'll try it though. I mean,
you don't put it on anything?
No.
Wait, we go to Mexican food once a week.
Right, but it's not, I don't add hot sauce on it.
But there's already hot sauce in the chips.
Right.
And you eat that.
No, I don't.
You eat the chips and you dip it. I
saw
saw
you.
you.
I don't dip the chips.
You just eat the chips by themselves and I eat all the hot sauce?
Yes.
I didn't realize that. All right.
Okay, so let's show what we have. Okay, so here we go.
Okay, we'll start with Tabasco on this end. Okay, finger dip. Dip, dip.
That's not the worst thing I've had my finger in.
Oh,
okay. I've got them.
That does not even taste good. I'm sorry, Tabasco people.
Okay, I do use that one for black-eyed peas.
Black-eyed peas?
Yeah, you
like
put a
when you
sauce.
Listen to them, or?
No, for New Year's you're supposed to eat black-eyed peas.
I'm sorry. This tastes like vinegar and like someone bit me, like a bee.
Okay,
No.
I guess that's a no. Okay, so
Pretty girl was on the end. Okay, Tapatio in the middle. Lick your finger in it. Put your finger in it. Mmm.
Well,
that's like
kind of smoky.
Like barbecue. That's what I was gonna say. Like a little barbecue tasting and a little warmth. But then it's got like a sweet end to it. What's the bite? Tell people.
I don't know. It's like burning my tongue.
Oh, what a baby. Tell me what it said. Gum? It said gum.
No, it says red peppers right there.
Oh, red pepper. Okay, well that's very tasty. All right, now the last one. Ready, ready, ready?
Okay, this is the pretty lady. What is it called?
The first one was yuck.
Cholula.
Cholula. Show the pretty lady.
Pretty lady.
Pretty lady. Get it in there. Touch the pretty lady.
I got arrested one time when I did that. Hold on.
It's not that hot.
It's like vinegar.
It is vinegar.
Yeah, it's like vinegar.
You know what? She's a little vinegary. Interesting.
It's from New Jersey.
You know which one I'm going to use from now on? Dun da da da.
Yeah, vinegar.
You know what? Is that the main ingredient?
It's like after water.
So, after this taste test, what I will be putting in my clam chowder from this Honey Baked Ham restaurant is Tapatio. You win. You win. Tapatio.
And just to be clear, we don't work
Did you
for
like
any of
this
these
one
companies.
too? That's the barbecue-y kind.
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah, with a
Wouldn't
little
go out of
bite
my
to
way,
it.
but
He's very handsome. Show his picture.
Arriba, arriba.
Handsome man, guapo. Oh, Greg, it's you. Look, I just put a little Mexican sombrero on you and a little yellow shirt with a little tie, like those 80s ties that girls used to wear to school. Oh, and then I have to get you a sash that says salsa picante.
Nice. I'm all set for Halloween.
Oh my God. You go as the label and disperse it like out of a squirt gun. Do Tapatios carry guns?
I don't know. I think they're like a mariachi.
He looks like a mariachi, but he could be a bullfighter. Let's make him a bullfighter so you can wear those sexy pants. No? Okay. Anyway,
and yes,
thank
I can
you,
wear the sexy
and
pants.
I adore your sauce.
Wow. Not the first time you said
good.
that either.
Nope, and it won't be the last.
Hey, y'all have a great
One last
week.
lick. Say goodbye.
I doubt that either.
Like this.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi,
Hey,
it's the
James and Greg Show. Hey, if you like those videos, or that last one you just saw,
There's a bunch of videos right next to us. You should click these. It's some of our
Any of
favorites. And,
I'm pointing at the videos.
and don't forget to subscribe
Yes, subscribe.
and share.
These
And
videos.
this is what he looks like dancing in the 70s.
Yeah.
We'll see you around.
Comments.